Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera crashing in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.